Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines in English for 14th of October. And first of all, national news. Siachen Glacier, world's highest battlefield, got mobile connectivity boost. Delhi High Court dismissed NewsClick founders' plea over anti-terror law. Akshata Murthy's net worth likely to jump by 138 crore in 2023. Supreme Court rejected petition challenging Einstein-Darwin's theories. Minister Kiran Rijiju appointed BJP election in charge for Mizoram. Air Force Chief emphasized on high operational preparedness. People start queuing up at RBI offices to exchange 2000 notes. Now, international news. Call of Duty maker Activision to be bought by Microsoft for $69 billion. IFFI 2023 Michael Douglas to receive Satyajit Ray Lifetime Achievement Award. Israel warned North Gaza must be emptied within 24 hours. Preps offensive. Hundreds of rockets fired from Gaza towards Israel. Billionaire quit Harvard board over lukewarm response to anti-Israel letter. Israel embassy employee attacked in China as country declared war on Hamas. Israeli flag burned in Iraq as thousands rally in support of Palestine. World now realizing PM Modi called for peace amid Israel-Hamas war. And now some sports news. More pressure for tickets than match. Babar Azam's bouncer on India versus Pakistan clash. International Olympic Committee approved cricket's inclusion in 2028 Los Angeles Games. Shardul Thakur received Best Fielder medal against Afghanistan. Now, business related news. Air India expressed to induct 50 new Boeing 737 MAX plans by December 2024. State run banks to lower bond purchase as liquidity tightens, Treasury officials said. HDFC Life Insurance Quarter 2 profit rose on strong premium growth. Germany added extra 80 million euros to IMF pot for poor countries. Tamil Nadu State Transport Undertakings order 1,666 buses from Ashok Leyland. Science related news. Instant evolution. New artificial intelligence tool can design robots from scratch in seconds. And that's all in news. Thank you.